David Redline Engine Performance, and I was making a quick video today just to let some of the manufacturers and the public know what's coming up at the sled show. And so this is kind of our first release of our forced induction tuner. It's the FIT-H401. So this box has the ability to control secondary injectors on snowmobiles, ATVs, UTVs, cars, you name it. Anything from that has 12 cylinders to 1 cylinder, 2-stroke, or 4-stroke, this box will control. We've built our own tack adaptation system into it that allows us to modify the signal. So if you have coil over or a true tack pulse signal, it'll work with anything. You can connect it to your injectors or your coils, and that will be the appropriate input. Interestingly enough, this box also has the ability to put out a true tack signal, which is fantastic because that gives you the ability to hook up aftermarket tachometers, which is great for snowmobiles that only have a digital display. Again, we'll be able to provide the bosses for whatever injectors you need, and of course an array of injectors to suit your needs. The next thing I want to talk about is just some of the simple wiring on this. Like, all it requires is a simple hookup, a ground, so power, ground, and then of course your input signal that we talked about, and then it has your output signals that you want, and then all of the injectors are controlled directly through the electronics itself. So with that said, Redline Engine Performance has also developed software that works directly in conjunction with the box. So what that has the ability to do is to perfectly map your engine for your auxiliary fuel controller. So we can calculate out exactly, or very close to, what your additional mass airflow is going to be, and actually calculate out what your fuel flow is going to be. Properly match injectors for your system, so you're not overpaying for 60 or 80 pound injectors when it's not required. And we can run really fine atomized, clean fuel sprays out of the smaller injectors. So there's a lot of advantages to actually sizing things correctly. It's more efficient. At the end of the day, we use more fuel in your tank for more riding. You're not hauling around jerry cans. So this is one of the sleds we're working on right now. So we'll be putting our fuel system on a brand new 2016 Skidoo T3 174, and we're going to be setting it up for an array of different turbos. And interestingly enough, today we just finished tuning one of our own shop sleds that we use, just good old Polaris Dragon, but it's got a Pro motor in it, so that works for us, gets us in there and gets us tuned on the Pro motor. And our first iteration, we're hitting perfect air fuel ratios across most of the band. So we've got some very, very small tuning to do, almost perfect right off the bat. Clutching spot on for it as well. So with that said, this is just a prelude to a test video we're going to show on the 2-stroke. Earlier we showed a test this summer on the Yamaha Nitro, showed how clean it pulls and showed the dyno charts. Next we're going to move outside here and show you a quick video on the Pro motor that's in a Dragon here. Thanks a lot.